What's up with you gang? It's your boy Ethan back with another video. And today we're gonna be checking out Brookhaven new update. Make sure to subscribe, like, and hit that bell button. Let's get into it. Also, I just wanted to say thank you for so much love and support. I've been getting a lot of like comments, but I've been getting hate comments too though. Less hate comments. Hey, let me tell you something. One dude sent me a hate comment once and he never came back to life. Okay? And if you send me a hate comment, I'ma like it and heart it so you'll feel crazy. Okay? If you send a hate comment, don't let me catch you in these streets, okay? Okay? Now let's get to the updates right here on my right. Let's go. Just a quick warning. Alright, it says cabin at the lake summer camp garbage day starts at 5 a.m. every Tuesday garbage truck. Okay, so looks like we have a new garbage truck in our hands, a new garbage day. Alright, I see a can right here, so it must be Tuesday. So, but it's not 5. It's 5 p.m. Whoop. I mean, if it lets us still pick up garbage, that's fine with me. Alright, let's see how this works. Did it do it? Whoa, look! Okay, I see trash in there. Alright, that's good, you guys. This is actually good for roleplay. And if you're actually gonna play it, I believe they have some garbage man clothes. I think this is garbage man clothes. I'm not sure. It might be like a car oil dude, work at a little car shop. And his thing might be dirty. No, that's tow. I guess you're gonna use that other shirt. Yeah, that's the ambulance though. But let's put my real character back on. Alright, so that is the garbage truck, and then it said, alright, that's the only 2 updates, you guys. So this is gonna be a really quick video, you guys. So I think that's all. We got some other trash we can pick up right now, but let's go up to the other update right now. Or if you want to, we can get the camp truck right here. Yeah, this camp truck. Like, you can tell that you can literally live in here because it's a shower, a whole bathroom, and a whole bed. You see this? Like, it's a whole bed through the window. Whoa, what is that? Is that a spaceship? Like, do you see this? That little purple thing right there. I see the cabin, you guys. So it looks like everybody can have the cabin. Like, do you see this, you guys? Alright, they added trees. At first, you just have to put the trees on your screen. You only see them. But now, everybody can see it. Alright. What is this? Alright, looks like this is a little jacuzzi. Whoa, why is it red down here? Alright, that has to be some hidden secrets down there, you guys. Alright, looks like we can sit down at the campfire, sing some songs. Can we actually go on this boat? Please wait. Whoa. We can actually get on here and swim. Oh, that's the most coolest thing ever. And we can get our fishing line out. Is there fishes in here now? Ooh, that'd be cool if they had fishes though, you guys. Look at this. So you can, if they add fishes, you can literally just swim. I mean, fish. Bro, that's cool. Alright, what's right here before we check out the cabin? Right here. What does this say right here? What does this say? Okay, what does this say right here? Okay. Alright. Alright, what is this? Is this a secret? I'm still trying to figure out what this purple thing is. Alright, we about to get wet, you guys. Woo! Whoa. Whoa, what is that? Whoa, what's this glowy thing right here? I need to stop before I get killed. Look behind my back for a second. Alright, we'll leave the boat there for other visitors, okay? Other visitors. And there's the yacht we checked out last time. Dang, you just are rich if you have a yacht and a own cabin, but that's not your cabin though. But if it was, you will live in luxury, my girl or boy. Oh, don't tell me this is a slide. Is this a slide? Oh my god, you can have fun on a slide. So what does that mean this is then? Is it a zip line? What is that? Okay, you guys, I don't know what this is. Oh, it is. Oh, it's a slide. Oh, okay, it is a slide. Oh, yeah, okay, it's a slide where you can have fun and stuff, you guys. Oh, okay, I got it now. I got it. All right. Oh, whoa, okay, look and put little things to be protective right here. Oh, we got some obstacles right here. Oh, I kind of like that one. I kind of like... Whoa, what was this? Okay, you can go down the slide. Alright, let's do this. Woo, I didn't see this. Woo, whoa, 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 woo. Ooh, I don't know if that was a slide, but it's my guess. I keep on saying that. Looks like we got a fire right here. I think you can turn on and off. Yeah, let's turn that off for a second before it starts a fire everywhere. Alright. Now it looks like we got this. Hopefully no bears come up. It looks like the bed are made. Or there's somebody sleeping in them. One shower. Who's been in here? Because the shower is on. Bro, I'm getting kind of scared though. No, I'm getting out of here. Alright guys, I think that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you for so much, you guys, for love and support. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.